Finding the best AI business plan generator can be the difference between having a rough idea in your head and having a clear business plan that people can understand, support, and fund. In this video, we are comparing Canva, PrometAI, and LivePlan step by step. We will look at what each tool does, where each one is strongest, where each one is weak, and which one fits your business stage best. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@readiness.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Why are we comparing these tools? A business plan is like a map. It tells you where your business is going, who it is serving, how it will make money, and what it needs to grow. AI tools can make this process easier, but they do not all work the same way. Some tools help you design better. Some help you write faster. Some help you plan your numbers properly. That is why choosing the right tool matters. The simple difference between Canva, PrometAI, and LivePlan. Canva is best when you want your business plan, pitch deck, and brand materials to look beautiful and professional. PrometAI is best when you want AI to help you write a business plan and pitch quickly. LivePlan is best when you need a serious business plan with strong financial forecasts and formal structure. What is Canva? Canva started as a design platform, but today, it is useful for entrepreneurs who need strong visual communication. You can use it to create pitch decks, business plan layouts, social media graphics, logos, brand kits, and presentations. For a founder, this is important because people often see your business before they speak to you. They may see your pitch deck, flyer, Instagram page, proposal, or website first. Canva helps you make that first impression clean and professional. Canva strengths for entrepreneurs. Canva is very easy to use. You do not need to be a designer. You can choose a template, change the text, add your colors, insert your logo, and create something that looks polished. It also has AI features like Magic Write and AI presentation tools that can help you create content faster. If you need to prepare a pitch deck, brand presentation, or marketing content, Canva can save time and make your work look better. Canva weaknesses. But Canva is not a deep business planning tool. It can help your business plan look good, but it will not give you strong financial forecasting, detailed scenario planning, or serious investor-ready financial documents. So, Canva is not the best choice if your biggest problem is money planning. It is best when your biggest problem is design, branding, presentation, and visual storytelling. What is PrometAI? PrometAI is built specifically for entrepreneurs who want AI support with business planning. It helps founders write business plans, create pitch decks, shape business ideas, and organize strategy using generative AI. This is useful when your idea is still rough. You may know what you want to build, but you may not know how to explain it clearly. PrometAI helps you move from scattered thoughts to a structured plan. PrometAI strengths for startup founders. PrometAI is strong because it helps you move fast. It can support business plan writing, pitch creation, idea generation, chatbot guidance, and investor-style messaging. This is especially helpful for solo founders. When you are building alone, you are the planner, marketer, salesperson, finance person, and operations person. PrometAI helps reduce the stress of starting from a blank page. PrometAI weaknesses. PrometAI is powerful, but it is not perfect. It is not the best design tool, so it cannot replace Canva for branding and visual presentation. It also does not go as deep as LivePlan when it comes to advanced financial forecasting. PrometAI is best when you need AI-driven planning, quick pitch writing, and a fast first draft that you can improve. What is LivePlan? LivePlan is a long-standing business planning platform. It is built for structured business plans, financial forecasting, investor documents, bank-ready plans, and serious planning. If Canva is the design tool and PrometAI is the AI writing tool, LivePlan is the numbers and structure tool. LivePlan strengths. LivePlan is strongest when you need to understand the money side of your business. It helps you plan revenue, expenses, profit, cash flow, and financial projections. This matters when you are applying for funding, preparing for a grant, speaking to a bank, or trying to show investors that your business can work financially. A good idea is not enough. The numbers must also make sense. LivePlan weaknesses. LivePlan can feel more formal than Canva and PrometAI. If you are a beginner who only wants a quick plan, it may feel heavy because it requires more detail and financial thinking. It is also not a branding tool, and it is not the strongest AI-first platform. But if your goal is proper financial planning and serious documentation, LivePlan is very useful. Now that we understand the three tools, let us compare them step by step. For business plan creation, Canva gives you editable templates and attractive layouts. This is helpful if you already know what you want to say and you need a clean format. PrometAI goes further by helping you generate a business plan with AI-guided prompts. LivePlan gives you a structured planning process with financial sections, which is better for formal and detailed business plans. When it comes to AI assistance, Canva has useful AI features for writing and presentations, but its AI is mostly connected to content and design. PrometAI is the strongest AI-first tool in this comparison because it is built around business planning, pitch support, idea generation, and guided strategy. LivePlan offers more structure than AI. It is reliable, but it is not the most advanced choice for AI-generated planning. For pitch decks, Canva is excellent for design. It helps you create slides that look clean, modern, and professional. PrometAI is strong for pitch content because it helps with investor-style language, pitch structure, and business explanation. LivePlan can support pitch creation, but it is more useful for formal information and financial details than for visual storytelling. For financial forecasting, LivePlan is the strongest. It is built to help founders work through profit and loss, cash flow, balance sheets, and financial projections. Canva does not offer proper financial forecasting. PrometAI may support basic financial summaries, but it does not match LivePlan for depth. If numbers are the most important part of your business plan, LivePlan is the better choice. For branding, Canva wins clearly. It helps with logos, colors, fonts, templates, social media designs, and brand kits. PrometAI may offer basic visual support, but it is not a full branding platform. LivePlan does not focus on branding at all. So, if you are building a brand from scratch, Canva is the best tool in this area. Canva is the easiest tool for most beginners because it is visual. You can drag, drop, edit, and create without needing deep training. PrometAI is also easy to use, but it asks you to think through your business idea and answer planning questions. LivePlan is more formal because it deals with serious planning and financial details. It is useful, but it may require more patience. Best tool if you are pitching investors. If you are pitching investors, you need 3 things. You need a clear story, strong slides, and numbers that make sense. PrometAI is very useful for the pitch story and investor-friendly wording. Canva is useful for making the deck look professional. LivePlan is useful for making sure the financial side is strong. For investor pitching, PrometAI may lead, but the best pitch may use all 3 tools together. Best tool if you are building a brand. If you are building a brand from scratch, Canva is the best choice. Branding is no longer optional. Your first impression often happens online. People may see your logo, social media post, flyer, website, or pitch deck before they ever speak to you. Canva helps you look professional early, even when you do not have a big team. Best tool if you need a strong business plan and forecast. If you need a robust business plan and financial forecast, LivePlan is the strongest option. This is important when your startup is moving beyond the idea stage. If you are seeking funding, applying for grants, talking to a bank, or planning long-term growth, you need more than beautiful slides. You need numbers that explain how the business will survive and grow. Best tool if you are a solo founder. If you are a solo founder, your best starting tools may be Canva and PrometAI. Canva helps you create visual content quickly. PrometAI helps you plan, write, and pitch faster. LivePlan may become more useful when your business needs deeper financial forecasting and formal documentation. AI has changed how entrepreneurs plan, pitch, and execute. The best tools today are not just digital. They are becoming intelligent. PrometAI leads in AI business planning because it is built around AI strategy, pitch support, idea generation, and business plan creation. Canva is growing fast with AI writing and design tools. LivePlan remains strong for structured planning, but it is not leading in AI innovation. Canva pros and cons. Canva is simple, visual, affordable, and very useful for branding, pitch decks, presentations, and marketing content. It is a strong tool for founders who want their business to look professional. But Canva does not give you deep financial forecasting or serious structured planning. It can make your business plan look beautiful, but it cannot prove that the business numbers work. PrometAI pros and cons. PrometAI is strong for AI-generated business plans, pitch writing, idea support, and fast planning. It is useful for founders who want structure without spending too much time starting from zero. But PrometAI is not the strongest tool for branding, and it does not offer the same level of financial depth as LivePlan. It is best for speed, AI planning, and pitch support. LivePlan pros and cons. LivePlan is strong for financial forecasting, structured planning, investor documents, and bank-ready business plans. It is useful when your business needs clarity, numbers, and formal documentation. But LivePlan can feel too formal for some beginners. It does not help with branding or creative design, and it is not the strongest AI-first platform. Final verdict on the best AI business plan generator. So, which tool should you choose? Choose Canva if your priority is branding, visual presentation, pitch deck design, and marketing content. Choose PrometAI if your priority is fast AI-powered business plan writing and pitch creation. Choose LivePlan if your priority is financial forecasting, funding preparation, and formal business planning. If you are a visual builder, Canva may fit you best. If you are a fast executor who wants AI to help you plan and pitch quickly, PrometAI may fit you best. If you are a financial strategist who cares about forecasts, funding, and long-term planning, LivePlan may fit you best. If you are a solo founder doing everything alone, Canva and PrometAI may be the best starting combination. The smartest founder does not only ask which tool is popular. The smartest founder asks which tool solves the problem in front of them. You can use PrometAI to create the first draft of your business plan. You can use Canva to design a clean pitch deck. You can use LivePlan to build stronger financial forecasts. Sometimes, the best answer is not one tool. Sometimes, it is the right tool at the right stage. The biggest mistake with AI business plan tools. The biggest mistake is thinking that a tool can save a weak business idea. A beautiful pitch deck cannot fix a product nobody needs. AI writing cannot fix wrong pricing. A business plan template cannot fix a poor business model. Financial software cannot fix a business that does not understand its customers. What a good business plan must answer. A good business plan must answer simple questions. What are you selling? Who are you selling to? Why will they buy? How will you reach them? How will you make money? How much will it cost? How will the business grow? When you can answer these questions clearly, your business plan becomes stronger. The tool matters, but your thinking matters more. Use AI, but verify everything. Check your market, customers, competitors, pricing, assumptions, and numbers. Do not copy and paste blindly. AI can help you move faster, but speed without clarity can lead to expensive mistakes. We have explained the main points in this video, but the full guide on Entrepreneurs.ng https://entrepreneurs.ng/best-business-plan-generator/ gives you the detailed comparison of Canva, PrometAI, and LivePlan. Click the link in the description and read the full article. You will see the complete features, use cases, pros, cons, and recommendations to help you choose wisely. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel for practical business education. Visit Entrepreneurs.ng for business guides, templates, resources, visibility opportunities, and programs that help you start, grow, and scale better. Choose the tool that fits your stage. Think clearly. Check your numbers. Understand your customers. Build with wisdom. We are rooting for you. See you in the next video.